Hi everyone, my name is Bert. What I am introducing to you today is HD Max EDR to XRSWA. Let us take a look at the outer packaging first. This is a newly designed outer packaging with a very eye-catching color, crosshairs, and model label on the side. There are function introductions and website QR codes on the side. Well, let's take a closer look at what's inside. Product protected by sealed bag. There is also a parameter introduction book, instructions, and a lens cleaning cloth inside. The parameter introduction book is very detailed. The other is a normal manual. This manual goes into more detail. The red appearance packaging is very eye-catching, and the website address is printed on it. The cleaning cloth and gravure printing are very high-end. Okay, let's take a look at there are some instructions. There's also an adjustment wrench in there, which is a great tool. Okay, so as not to make everyone anxious, let us take a look at the main part of the product first. The overall appearance of the product is great, and the hand feel is very comfortable. And the lens has a protective cover. Next, we open the lens protective cover and take a look at the details of the two lenses. This is the detail of the eyepiece. We're looking at the objective lens. The focusing method of this elbow speed sight has some special features. Need to adjust the focus first and then lock it with another ring. Let me introduce you to this way you can better fix the focus by rotating it. The magnification of this elbow scope ranges from EDR to LPVO. Let us take a look at my actual shooting results.
Okay.
开始啊。
This is magnification adjustment without any clipping. It is a very good product at this price. I set the magnification to maximum. Magnification and the recovery was excellent. Next, we look at the left and right up and down adjustment knobs for the crosshair. The knob needs to be pulled out when adjusting to prevent the adjustment knob from moving and causing deviation. The selection sound of the adjustment knob is very nice, very good. Next, I will show you the appearance, material of this product. This is a cost-effective alloy side from Swamp Deer. Its exterior material is made of metal, and the overall details of the crosshairs are very good. This scope is suitable for all kinds of people. It can satisfy most people. Time flies. Today's program is coming to an end. Hope you like and subscribe to us. We will continue to introduce more products to you. Here are all the photos of the product. Thank you for your attention and support. See you next time.